everyone, welcome back to my channel where I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you. Today I have another Dollar Tree DIY that I absolutely love and wanted to share with you. It is a gingerbread theme because I am having more gingerbread in my Christmas decor. So if you like to follow me, keep on watching, and as always, let's art today. Moving right into it, the first thing you are going to need, or the first thing that I am using, is this Christmas sign that Dollar Tree is carrying this year, which is absolutely so adorable and can be home decor as is, but I'm going to change it up to fit my theme this year for my kitchen, which is gingerbread, like I said earlier. So I'm just removing the wreath from the sign, and then I will be sanding everything down. And here it is, all sanded down. Now I did this to mostly get all the glitter off of this sign, but it also gives a good texture for my paint to adhere to it too. Moving into the paint, I will be mixing up my Craft Smart acrylic paints. I will be using brown, some yellow, and gesso white. I will mix that until I get my ideal gingerbread brown that I'm looking for. While I'm mixing the paint, does anybody make their own gingerbread cookies, or do you make different cookies? I love to make my own sugar cookies, but I have never made gingerbread cookies. Let me know in the comments down below. Now that I have the shade of brown that I like, I will paint the whole sign using 2 coats to get good coverage. Here's how it looks completely dried. Now I can still see that there is a little ridge where the paper and the wreath was hanging, but I am not too worried about that because I will cover it later. I am going in with some more gesso white, and now I will be creating some snow-like effect on the roof pitch and on the chimney. I am now taking that same gesso white and I'm distressing the bottom of the sign, and then I will cover more of it in the middle of the sign also to give it more wood-like grain and some different dimension and texture. So I am going to put that to the side so it can dry completely, and then I am going to work on some details. Now I'm going to be using these ornaments that Dollar Tree carries. It's a Christmas tree, and I'm going to be turning it into a little cookie for my sign. So I'm just going to take that out and get my paints ready as well. And if you can, please take this moment to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Be sure to click on the bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel, and I love to have you here with us. To make my cookie, I am going to take this ornament and take that same gingerbread brown and only add it to the edges of the ornament. Now I'm taking my white gesso paint and I'm adding it all into the center of the ornament to give it a frosting look. When the white paint is completely dried, I am taking my pink acrylic paint pen, making an outline, and then I will fill in that with pink paint to give another layer of frosting. To finish my cookie, I am now adding all of my sprinkles. I did get inspired to do this cookie out of a sticker book that I found at the 99-cent store that I will show you here in a few minutes, and I just think it's so adorable and it came out super cute. And finally, it is now time to decorate the sign and put it all together. So now that my sign is completely dry, I am going to be adding some words to it. I found these stickers on the clearance section at Michael's, I believe for $2, and they come with uppercase and lowercase letters, which work out for the sign perfectly. And here it is. It says Gingerbread Bakery, and I think it's so adorable. Now to attach my cookie, I am using my hot glue gun and I will be hot gluing it to the bottom right hand corner. Yes, I still have my old hot glue gun because my new one is hopefully on its way to my house for the Christmas season. It took me a little bit longer than I wanted, but it should be here shortly. It is now time for the gingerbread. So I found these gingerbread stickers at the Dollar Tree, and what I love about them that it has the adhesive on the back of it already, so there is no gluing needed unless you wanted to. And I will be adding a couple on the bottom and one at the top. Here is the sticker book that I mentioned earlier that gave me inspiration to make that cookie that we glued onto the sign. And just look at these stickers. Aren't they so cute? And they have such great details, and you get so much for $1.49. Now I am going to be using some of these stickers to decorate my sign to add more detail and add a pop more color to it. Now remember, if you are going to recreate the sign, you can use whatever you like. You can use stickers, you can use actual objects. This is what I had on hand, so this is what I'm using, and I think it came out so adorable. Like I said, I am going to attach the stickers to my sign to add more color and detail. I just stuck on some gumdrops. I will be adding some lollipops and also some candy canes as well. And here is the final project. I absolutely adore this. It does give me Christmas vibes and gingerbread vibes, and I just think it turned out so cute. And as you see here, I did add some red acrylic paint to the word to give it that white and red candy cane stripe look, and I think it came out really cute. Project was so fun to make, and I can't wait to share more of my projects with you. Now, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here on my channel where I love to make art things with you. Please hit that thumbs up button. It really does help my channel grow. And also, don't forget to leave me a comment down below of if you make gingerbread cookies or other types of cookies around this year. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.